everyone, welcome to this video where I will help you out how to open your trading account on StarTrader. So right now we just fill in at verification the first level 1 account information. So right now if you click here on the dashboard, you will see here account opening. After completing the account opening verification, you can make a deposit. So we click here on verification and then you need to fill in your details, and then after that you can create right here your own trading account. So what we're gonna do now is we click here on MT5, we do standard, and then we do euros. Then we click here on I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions, and then from here we do next. Then right now it says complete read only account opening, and then from now we can do a deposit right now. So this is how you can open your trading account on StarTrader. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.